nigaene kyabune Ekanisa nigebwenete gosiira abakenya asobokoreri boigo nige Ekanisa yabo Koborigwa Kogorora abakenya nakwene kyabuna ngonchoreria bare CHIMBWA ase abantu ndabadi nigabuli abegenwa n'ABARAI b'Ekanisa gosiira abakenya asokorenta obomo omorembe na boigo obochenu.
The preamble of the Kenya Constitution formally acknowledges the supreme of Almighty God of all creation, establishing a moral and spiritual foundation for the state and underscoring the role of faith in fostering national unity and peaceful coexistence. Indeed, in Executive Order number 1 of 2025 issued by President William Ruto, he designates the office of the Prime Cabinet Secretary as an official bridge of engagement and coordination between the government and religious organizations. Let's briefly, therefore, look at the role of religious organizations in promoting and safeguarding the moral fabric of our society. First, the Church continues to eternally remind us that there are some things that money just cannot buy, like morals, integrity, humility, and compassion. The faith-based organizations serve as our pillars of virtue that sustain social harmony and humanity's moral fabric. We also look to religious organizations to continue enhancing political ethics, hygiene, peace, and tolerance. This administration remains open to constructive criticism and moral guidance from the Church in the national interest. I also wish to encourage religious organizations to enhance the promotion of social values, particularly among the youth, by actively speaking against drug abuse, alcoholism, crime, and violence. As we look closer to home, the Church in Kenya has extended its role beyond spiritual guidance to meaningful contributions in health and education, thereby supporting the government's bottom-up